Right, so if you get a message like this, you're trying to open your files and you get this message, right? It says that the file is corrupted, and here's how you fix this. So the first thing you can do to fix it is just try another media player, because this one is actually, if I open with media player, it doesn't work. Let's see it says the file is corrupted because media player is the priority application that is trying to open the file. But you can try it's not that the file is not working, it's just simply that maybe one of these are not, they're not working for some reason. So you can try another player like this one. This works. See, it opened the file and it works. Let me add, I'm using a headset right now, so it is working. See, it's running up down here, you can see it's working. And now, so that's an option that you can do. But if I want to play more than one file, example like this, only media player can play it, and I don't get the option for open with when I select more than one file. So how can we fix this? So once you find the media player that can open your files, you can simply, before choosing more than one file, right? Because sometimes we want to play the more than one audio, more than one MP3 at once. So the best thing to do is just find the one that works and just change it. Choose app, prioritize, change it from, well, media player, my media player is not working, I will change it to Windows media player. So I will say always use this app, click down here, always use this app to open MP3 files. I'll click OK, and they'll change to MP3. Yeah, so perfect. You see it changed, and now I can choose more than one file, and I can just open from the task from the home tools, or simply right click and just play. I will let you listen now. See, it's working now. Let's wait, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, see, do you hear? It's working. So that's the best way to fix your files. Thanks. Hope this video helps you out.